how to disassemble an amperometric flow cell. First, you turn off the pump and disconnect the wires and remove the amperometric flow cell from the system. Then you take out the reference electrode, carefully laying it down. It's okay not to cover the top if it's going to be only a few minutes. And then you're going to remove all of the set screws. What I usually do is loosen each one, and then I come and quickly turn them so that they come out. Work through all 6. Being careful not to let the nuts roll off the table. Then you want to take the flow cell apart and carefully wipe and dry everything off.